Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegib.com, link in the description below. Title: Getting Started with Python Selenium WebDriver, a step-by-step tutorial. Introduction. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browser interactions, and Python is a popular programming language for scripting such tasks. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of setting up Python Selenium WebDriver and demonstrate how to use the get method to navigate to a website. Step 1. Install Python. If you haven't installed Python on your system, download and install it from the official Python website. During the installation, make sure to check the option to add Python to your system's path. Step 2. Install Selenium. Open a terminal or command prompt and use the following command to install Selenium using pip. Step 3. Download a WebDriver. Selenium WebDriver requires a browser-specific WebDriver to interact with browsers. For this tutorial, we'll use the chromedriver. Download the latest version from the official chromedriver page and place it in a directory that is included in your system's path. Step 4. Write your first Selenium script. Create a new Python script, example selenium_example.py, and open it in your favorite text editor or IDE. Copy and paste the following code. Make sure to replace /path/to/chromedriver with the actual path to your chromedriver executable. Explanation. Run your script. Open a terminal or command prompt, navigate to the directory where your script is located, and run the script using the following command. You should see the Chrome browser open, navigate to the example website, and print the page title to the console. Congratulations! You've successfully created a simple Selenium script to navigate to a website using Python. This is just the beginning, and you can now explore more advanced features and capabilities of Selenium WebDriver for web automation. ChatGPT.